If you crochet and you want to know how I made this coat, I'm going to tell you the best way that I can. Because when I posted it, so many people were asking me to make them when I was like, I'm not going to make it for you because it's going to be a Gordon Gartrell and I don't want to do that to you. So the size hook that I used is a, oh my God. It's a, I should have put my glasses on. Y'all, this is a 16 millimeter. It's a 16, like y'all can see it. Maybe you can if you pause it. It's a 16 millimeter. So this is the hook that I use. And believe it or not, which you guys will know if you crochet, this actually did not take long. It worked up so fast. So I'm going to tell you how I made it, and then I'm going to tell you how I would make it again if I made another one. So for this, I started with the back. You guys can see I did the back first. Then I did the side panels. So it was this piece, then I did two side panels, and then I did the arms. So how I did the arms was I did the arms in a circle, right? So I crocheted, I think I did like maybe like a 16 stitch, and then I joined it, and then I just started going around in the circle, and then I sewed the arms on. But let me tell you how I would do this if I did it again. If I did it again, I would actually make this one big piece and not making the arms separate. The only thing that would be separate would be the collar. And I love, okay, I love a big collar. So this is how I would make it. I would start with the back, right? I would start with the back. If you crochet, you're going to know what I'm saying. Start with the back, then stay on that back and work up the side. So you're going to stay on the back, you're going to work down this side, you're going to count your neck hole right from the back, and then once you're done this panel, then you're going to start on this panel from the back, and then you're going to go down like this. I think I can help you better. Hold on. Oh, is it working? Oh, okay, so look at this. So here's the back. Then I would do the side panel, and all of this is going to stay together. Then you're going to take your big piece after this is together and start with your arm and attach your arm. So this is one whole big piece. Then when you're done everything, that's when you fold everything over. That's when you fold your arms over, you fold the sides down, and that's when you start to stitch it all together. If I do it again, that's how I'm going to do it. I absolutely love this coat so much. It comes down to like my knees, but let me show you another one that I made. Oh my God, it's so cute. This is the second one that I made, and oh my goodness. Okay, so this is more of an everyday one because my lifestyle, I learned that my style is more relaxed because of my lifestyle. Shout out to Valicia. She's the stylist who let me know that. Oh my gosh. So this one, do you see? This has a hood on it. So remember how I told you how I did the green one and how if I did it again, I would do one piece. I did one piece with this. This is how I did this one. I did one, it was all one piece. And then at the end, I attached the hood. Look at the hood. Hood is so cute. It's, oh, like, can you even stand how cute that is? And it's so warm. So if you guys, like, for those of you guys who crochet, oh, and I also, the stitch that I used was a triple crochet. That's what I did. That's why it worked up so fast. And it worked up so fast also because I used bulky yarn. So this is typically yarn that people use for blankets. You know, they use these for blankets. We use it for fashion and for style and stuff. But I'm joking, but I'm serious. But so that's, it's thick, it's chunky, so it's going to work up super quick. Like, look how cute this is. And if you want it to be a closer stitch, not so wholly, of course you don't have to skip anything, but I was doing a triple crochet, chain one, triple crochet, chain one to create the what do you call it, the holes in it. But it's, y'all, you gonna be warm, okay? You is gonna be warm in this thing, okay? All right, you guys, I hope that helped. Oh, let me show you something else. I want to show you how what I put on the inside. It's just a label that I got from Hobby Lobby. It just says authentically made, and this one says this one says keep effing going. This one, how is it twisted? Okay, this one is in the back of this jacket, and it's a bracelet that I actually stamped you know, the stamping thing, and here, this is what it looks like. But on the inside, that's the message that it has for me to keep effing going. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you next time.